lateral meniscus. This cushions wear out very easily. In sports injuries, it gets injured or partially torn. But as we age, when we are 45 years, 50 years, and we have overweight, this is what happens to the knee joint. The cushion wears off, right? And we call it osteoarthritis of the knee joint. So what is helpful here? Please understand. Here we want our patient to reduce weight. So every kilo a patient reduces weight, you are offloading 4 kgs from the knee. So the ratio is 1:4. So any knee problem, any knee patient, if they reduce 5 kg, they will feel much better without taking any treatment because they have offloaded 20 kg from the knee joint. In short, another way to find out is measuring your abdomen. We call it kamar. So you should have a good kamar, what we are seeing on the left, rather a kamra. Simple signs. What makes you feel you are unfit? You don't feel like getting up in the morning. Is a sign you are not fit. You feel irritable even with the best of your friends. Even if you are with your best friend, you are irritated in whatever they say. So it's a sign you are unfit. You are yawning between work. You're working, yawning, or you feel like taking a nap is a sign that you are unfit. Climbing, one of the best is climbing 4 stories. Avoid taking elevators, avoid taking lift. Wherever possible, walk up. So if you can walk 4 stories, still you're very good as far as your fitness is concerned, or as far as your endurance is concerned, as far as your heart is concerned. So Benjamin said, by failing to prepare, we are preparing to fail. So we have to evaluate ourselves, and nothing better than this now lockout period to evaluate our fitness level, find out where it's going wrong, what are the aches and pain. In simple words, I can only tell you all, like thirst is a signal that the body requires fluid. Why do you get thirsty? Because the body wants fluid. So pain is a signal that something is wrong somewhere. So as it is paining anywhere, find out the reason and try to correct it now, because this is a time where we have more time to be at home and give time to exercises and treatments. So let us define fitness. It's an ability of a person, all of us, to live a healthy life, well balanced life, involving physical, social, as well as emotional aspect of life. All three contains, it says about, you don't have to be physically fit. You can lift 200 kgs of weight. You can run. It doesn't bring you in the category of only fitness, right? You have to be socially fit. You have to be emotionally fit. You should be able to take the good and the bad. Whatever is happening in life, it's part of life. We have to be able to take it. So today, I'm going to talk on the left side of fitness, that is health related components. We will keep the skill related sometime else when I'm talking about sports medicine or when I'm talking about sports fitness, right? So basically what we require is cardiovascular endurance, muscular flexibility, and the right body composition. When I say right body composition, it gets involved your blood pressure, your diabetes, your vitamin D3 level, vitamin B2 level, very important. Please, all those who are giving blood tests every year or every 6 months, in a regular checkup, vitamin B12 is not there. Vitamin D3 is not there. Vitamin B12 is responsible for your muscles and nerves. Vitamin D3 is responsible for your bones. And most of the Indians have less. We have below the normal vitamin D3 and B12. So please keep a check on your B12 and D3. Vitamin B12 should be between 400 and 800. Usually Indians have it below 300. And vitamin D3 should be between 40 and 80. Usually people have it below 20. So we need very importantly, it's very important to know when you are giving your blood test, add vitamin B12 and D3. The 5S of fitness, again, stamina, strength, speed, skill, and the psychological spirit that we have got, and our emotional well-being. All, it's called the 5S. Nothing is impossible, I say. Impossible also means I am possible. 280 kgs reduced in 2.5 years. So it is possible. But we look for shortcuts. We look for shortcuts. We go for advertisements. And if you see
And
all
now I can see.
my request to all the attendees to mute. There's some kids also in the background making noise. So if you could identify, just tell them to mute the phone or the laptop. Fine. We look for, is there any tablet can make us slim or fit? Is there any cream when you apply you become a beauty queen? We look for shortcuts, and advertisers and marketing people know the trick what to do and how to play with us. Then many people earlier, I remember 20 years back when Sona came, everybody said we will reduce half a kg in Sona. Yes, you reduce. You go to for a Sona bath for 20 minutes or half an hour, you will be out by 400, 500 grams less. But it's your body fluid that you have lost. As soon as you walk out, you want to drink a liter of Coke or Pepsi, any drink or water. Why? Because in sauna, it's a dry heat. You lose your body fluid, right? And it has got its own values when you go to sauna. Then came the aerobics. Now, aerobic has to be done on a wooden flooring. It has to go step by step. But people go for their own reason, get injured and come back. From the time the aerobics have started, a number of my patients have increased. Then came the yoga. Please understand, we have got a therapeutic yoga, we have got a breathing yoga, and we have a spiritual yoga. Which one? Just don't on your television and try to do whatever is being shown. Because the person who is doing it, maybe is doing it for the last 30 years, 40 years. So you have to be gradual, slow, and have the right guru to teach you. Should have the right teacher, the right instructor to explain you and which yoga are you looking for. Then we had the health farms near Bombay, Bangalore, Himachal, lot of health farms. So people also started going to health farm. Okay, once we go there, we will be fit. Yes, going to health farm for 10 days, you will reduce by at least minimum 2 to 3 kgs because they give you on a strict diet, pure vegetarian, lot of salads and lot of walking, yoga, massage. All this will make you down by 2 to 3 kgs in 10 days. But the idea is whether when you step out, are you going to maintain it? As soon as you step out, you want to go and have your non-veg, you want to again get back to your own irregularities because you have missed all that for the 10 days. And some people go there, they go with all their friends to enjoy. So Health Farm has become a place where it's a meeting place, all people go. There are resorts, there are health farm where people go with all their families and other friends, family friends who go together to enjoy. So finally puts a person in confusion. Should I go to a slimming center? Should I do yoga? Should I do aerobics? Should I take slimming pills? Is there any medicine? Which gym to join? All this becomes a big question about our human being. Yes, we all want to be fit, but how? How should we be fit? So I say success starts with sacrifices because success is very demanding. It demands a lot of things which you don't have to do. There are do's and don'ts in it. And please ask me a question at the end. I have got the a reason I keep trying different diet and different procedures to tell my patients to reduce weight only after trying on myself. So I try on myself. I take my blood report every month. Every first of month, I take a report, go on a program, see how it shows me after 1 month or sometime after 40 days, and then do a blood test again to find out whether it was helpful or not. So if you're asked, I'll be able to tell you two or three different diet which is going very well in India today, and it's very popular and very fruitful. Why? So let's find out the reason. In 1990, the TVs were fat and we were slim. What happened in 2020? The TVs have become slim and we have become fat. One reason, remote control. We want everything to sit somewhere, sleep somewhere, and work on a remote control. The fan, we want remote control. Light, we want remote control. Right? Television, remote control. We want to shout, scream. We have bells for Bombay where people are ringing the bell, the servant to come and get them water, get them tea. It's wrong. You should get up every 1 hour. Get up. So don't keep water around you. Get up and go water from the kitchen. If you are in a office, get up and go get water from the pantry. Get tea from the pantry. order. I know you are the boss, you are the big boss, you can order and everything can be delivered. But that small walking in the office, that small walk in the house is going to make you fit. I will be coming to the calorie content. You will understand what you have and how you burn it. So this is one of the reason. Then learn to say no. Everything, every time you see food, it does not mean you have to eat. Have a vision. I want to get fit. So is it sweet? I'm not going to have. Is it ice cream? I'm not going to have. I'll tell you the reason why not to have, because the calories will come soon. You'll come to know how much calories they contain. Look at these ants. The ants are passing through a lollipop, but they had decided not to have. So if ants can, why can't you? We have to start thinking whether really we need to have it, to have that sweet. So, and we should be committed to a strict diet. I'll come a very simple example. A boy is filling petrol in the car. It's your car. After the petrol is filled, you go out and you see another petrol pump. Do you fill the petrol again? No, because you have a meter in the car which shows if the car is empty. Nowadays, the new car shows also how many kilometers you can go with the petrol you have put. If you fill your tank, it will say 300 kilometers, 400 kilometers, it will go. Then, as and when it reduces, there is a red mark also to warn you. And now this car will only go for the next 30 kilometers or 20 kilometers, right? Please, human body is also like that. When you have eaten food and you see food again, it does not mean you have to eat. You have to find out whether your body requires food. But as an individual, whenever we see food, we want to eat. We keep loading ourselves, thinking we are in Ethiopia. We don't know whether we will get food again or not. Right? Now, let us find out the breakup of this food. If whatever you eat is divided into three things. Either you are eating protein, either you are eating fat, or either you are eating carbohydrate. So carbohydrate comes from rice, wheat, whatever we are having, whether it's noodles, all this are carbohydrate. What are protein? Protein in non-veg is directly fish, mutton, or chicken. For a vegetarian, protein comes from milk, paneer, and protein comes from all pulses, any type of dal. All pulses have protein. Fat comes from three things, whether it's butter, oil, or ghee. So if you see the calorie content, 1 gram of protein is 4 calories. Is on 1 gram is more. And a burning of calorie does not reach 2000. Those who are doing sedentary life, those who only sit in the car, go to office, sit in the office, and are having all the three meals, have breakfast, lunch, and dinner usually. But a wedding lunch is 2000 to 2500 calorie. A wedding dinner with sweets and kulfi is again 2000 to 2500 calorie, and three parathas in the morning you can put on. But to burn that 7,000 calorie, you have to run uphill for 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours running uphill, not on the straight ground, is going to burn that 7,000 calorie. There are two type of fat. What is visible is directly what you see: ghee, butter, oil, cheese, and what we add in cooking is direct fat. Indirect fat present in chicken, fish, mutton, whatever you eat, and it's also for vegetarian. It is present in raw food, pulses, and cereal have got a perfect fat. These are our enemies. We don't like them, right? Or we love them, whichever way you want to put it. See, in short, I can only say anything that is tasty is high in calorie. Sorry. Anything that is tasty is high in calorie. Kulfis, pizzas, burgers, McDonald's, all that, French fries, they are tasty. So anything that is tasty is going to be high in calorie. A very simple example. Two potatoes, 100 grams. Two potatoes, 100 grams. Boil it. It is 100 calorie. Two potatoes fried, French fried, right? 280 calorie. So 180 calorie has only come from the oil, ghee, or butter. So please understand how you are having. Same thing is going to be in eggs. One egg is 50 calorie. You boil it, it is 50 calorie. Make an omelette or a half fry, it is going to be more than 200 calorie. So more than 180 to 200 calorie in an egg is going to come only from the oil, ghee, or butter that you have used in cooking it. So this is how you put on weight, how you have it. You are having potatoes, you are having egg, you are having chicken or mutton, but how you make it. So as soon as you add oil, ghee, or butter, the calories increase. But if you don't add it, it is not tasty. See a boiled potato, it's not going to give you taste. But French fry, it is very tasty. Why? Because a lot of calories has come in. So calories makes food tasty. And what happens during this calories? It increases your blood cholesterol. So studies have shown if you decrease only 10% of your blood cholesterol, today your blood cholesterol is suppose 250. So if you reduce by 10%, and that is 25 of it. So if your blood level becomes 225 instead of 250, you have chances that you will avoid a heart attack by 50%. So very, 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 it's important that every 6 months or 1 year, when you are doing a blood test and when it comes to cholesterol, see that how you can reduce it. Our friends are vegetables and fruits, but we don't like them. My only request here is to let you all know, please have seasonal food, fruits and seasonal vegetables. Because don't stick to one vegetable. You like bindi, so you'll only keep eating bindi, or you like brinjal, so you'll have brinjal. No, every vegetable has got different minerals and different vitamins. So keep changing your fruits, keep changing your vegetables. So you can that includes all the minerals and vitamins that we body needs. Just simple fruits, the calorie content. What you see, mango is 250 calorie, banana is 100 calorie, watermelon. See that watermelon. If you nobody can finish a full watermelon, you can have half. If you finish full, also it is only 50 calories. So watermelon will be 50 calorie, you cannot finish, but a mango is 250 calorie. You can have 10 of it, right? Chiku is 100 calorie. Most of the fruits I call it 100 calorie plus or minus, but mangoes are very high, 250. And if you get the Ratnagiri Apus, it goes 350 to 380 calorie each mango of Ratnagiri. Eggs, I told you, boiled egg is 50 calorie, but if you fried, omelette, it make a burji, it goes up to 250 calorie. See the difference between ice cream and kulfi. So when you are having one slice of one scoop of ice cream, it is 380 calorie, but one scoop of kulfi will go up to 750 calorie, right? Because kulfi requires 4 liters of milk to make it 1 liter, right? See the difference of chocolate. Have a plain cake, it is 150 calorie. A chocolate cake, 250 calorie. So 100 calorie has only come from the chocolates. Coming to our daily requirement, tea and milk. Milk is one glass of milk is 100 ml is 60 calorie. So we add sugar to it. If it is 1 teaspoon, 20 calorie. But if you add 1 teaspoon of honey, honey is more calories, 48 calories. But honey has its own medicinal value. So any day honey is going to be better than sugar. So when you have a cup of milk, 60 calories comes from the milk and 40 calorie comes from the 2 teaspoon of sugar. So that makes it 100 calorie. Tea itself doesn't have any calorie. So a tea without milk will be 30 to 40 calorie, and a tea without milk, without sugar is 0 calorie. Soft drink will be 200 calorie. The curd is same, 60 gram, whether it is milk or curd, it's going to remain same calories. Milk without ice cream is 250 calorie. Add an ice cream, it will go up to 500 calories. Those who are vegetarian, you should have one of these pulses every day. One wati of dal or 30 gram of dal is 100 calorie. Whether any of the dal you use, they're all rich in protein, iron, and fiber. Very important for the body. Those who are vegetarian. So please, with whatever vegetable you eat, one of the dish should be pulses for your protein, iron, and fiber. So just to tell you all how long it takes for the duodenum to digest, because we have formed the habit, we sleep at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, we eat and we sleep. So please understand what it happens in the body. So if it is water you drink, it straight, it doesn't require anything to digest. It straight goes into the system. If it is fruits, it's 20 minutes it takes in your stomach. That's your duodenum. If it is cooked vegetable, it takes half an hour, 30 minutes. And if it is vegetable or fish, cooked fish or vegetable, it will be 1 hour. And if it is chicken, potato, milk products, again, it's going to, it is almost going to 1.5 hours to 2 hours to digest it, right? And beef meat, nuts, it takes 3 hours. So if you are a meat eater and you have eaten nuts at night, it takes 3 hours to digest. So please select. The best eating is before sunset. By 7 o'clock, you should eat so you can sleep by 10 o'clock. And the best sleeping time is 11 to 4. By 11 o'clock, one should sleep because the body goes for regeneration. Body goes to service itself. Body is resting. It's only unwinding and doing his work, getting ready for the next day. So people who think instead of 11 o'clock, I'm going to sleep at 12 o'clock, and at 12 o'clock onwards I will get up at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning. No, 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 no. The body will only go for service between 11 to 4. So you can sleep till afternoon also, but don't miss that 11 o'clock night one. From 11 o'clock, see that you start sleeping. It will help you. You will be healthier. Just showing you a few of the fruits which should be eaten every day. But end of the thing, I would be talking to in summing up how we should eat and how we should drink. So this is just a slide to show you what is going to be good, what cleanses the liver. So again, one of the highlight what I really have been working on it for the liver is one of the best thing is imli, tamarind, imli. Again, drinking from copper, it helps. It helps. And earlier days, every all the vessels for drinking water or storing water was copper. Definitely, as you get up, you should be even before going to shower. You should. There are many cases where people have got aged people have got attacks when they went to shower because the blood pressure rises. It's always better to have a glass of water before you go for shower. How what benefits of lemon on empty stomach? So when you get up in the morning, a glass of hot water with lemon is going to be doing wonders. And if you add dalchini, cinnamon to it, much better. It's going to help you. Again, for glowing skin, especially the ladies who are listening, it's all to do with raw vegetables and fruits. More fruits and vegetables you have, better is going to be your living. Again, effects of honey. Honey is very useful. There are so many studies. I was just reading 2 days back the the treatment the treatment for corona COVID-19 is making a person should be bitten by a bee. A bee biting a person cause corona or COVID-19 becomes negative because they have not found any the beehivers who are keeping bees or who are removing honey. They have not found anybody having corona. Again, for pain, turmeric, see all it's all in our kitchen. Turmeric, ginger, pineapple, then omega 3, again, and vinegar. These are all are to be in our kitchen. So our kitchen is the best
Mr. Santu Kumar, please mute yourself.
we should be regular to some
Sorry to
exercises.
interrupt, doctor. Go on.
We should be very regular in our exercises. If you don't get time and all that, at least make it a point after eating, after lunch and dinner, walk 10 to 15 minutes in your own house. So at least there is some walking happening. Again, we show that there are 20 benefits of walking at least 20 minutes a day, if not 30 minutes a day. It reduces heart attack. It maintains the right weight. It always boosts our moods. We get into the best mood. It keeps our blood pumping. There are 20 reasons of just walking 30 minutes a day, and it could be just 10 to 15 minutes after your food. If you walk 10 minutes after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, it's enough. Exercise begins at home. Everybody says no place, it is raining, there is storm, there is mud. I was walking on the footpath, there is no footpath to walk, no park to walk, car came and hit our neighbor. So all these reasons will be there. But if you really want to exercise, you can do it at home also. Bombay has lovely beaches, so people go for their own reason. Some go to exercise, some go to watch when people exercise. We should run to lose. And Swami Vivekananda said, you will be nearer to heaven through football than through the study of Gita. You will understand Gita better with your bicep muscles a little stronger. So even Swami recommended that we should have some sort of exercise. Exercises can be done in your ground behind your house or in your compound. You can run on a treadmill or on the beach in your own building compound. I think classical dancing is one of the best form of exercising. Parents who can send your children for classical dancing, they are burning 500 calorie every session. And my PhD, one of my PhD was on deaf and dumb, which I made them do classical dancing, and they had improved the way of their expression. Their walking had improved, their balance had improved, and they were so much expressive after learning classical dance. So Indian classical dances are good, whichever you select, it's going to burn calories. But we prefer such type of dancing. We want to go to a disco and dance. That also burns 500 calorie per hour. But what is included is a lot of people smoke inside, so smokes will be there, pollution will be there, and nowadays hardly any dancing happens. There is so much of crowd. People are just standing, and the lights does the dancing. The lights goes on and off in such a way that you feel you are dancing, or others feel you are dancing very well. Yes, this can be considered as dancing because there is burning of calories happening. Nothing better than climbing the steps. I had said earlier also, it burns maximum calorie. So per hour you burn 2,500 calorie. If you go for a walk, park walking, it is 200 to 300 calories per hour. If you do brisk walking, it is 500 calorie per hour. If you dance, it is 500 calorie per hour. But when you climb steps, it is 2,500 calorie per hour. I don't say every day walk 1 hour upstairs. No, regularly if you are walking, even if you are doing 10 minutes a day, at the end of the month, you have not increased by 1 kg at least. You have saved 1 kg by climbing steps. We have to strengthen our muscles. See, nobody can say I don't burn any calories because we are breathing. To be alive, you have to breathe. So breathing is more than 84 calories per day. As we breathe, there is some calorie taken to, some calories are burned because we are breathing. So whether it's our heartbeat, whether we are talking to somebody, whether we are blinking, anything that we do is burning calories because there is muscles involved, and we have to strengthen this muscle to last longer. So whether you go to A-class air-conditioned gym, you would be seeing Vinod Kamli there, Sachin, and Madhu Sapre was our Miss India runner-up, and she was Miss India and Miss World runner-up on the left. I still remember her mother used to scold me, you are giving so much of weight training to my daughter. Who will marry my daughter? She will look like a man. So any woman doing any amount of weight training, they will never look like a man. Don't worry. God has made them in such a way, they will look prettier, they will look better, they will look healthier, but they will never look like a man. It's the normal gym where I should train my Maharashtra athletes. It's a normal Gautam gym where no AC, no shed, nothing. But a lot of hard work was put here and all were getting medals for us. I believe that sports is medicine because any sports that you do, don't only do thinking you'll play for India. Do it for your own fitness. Whether it's going to be football, soccer, whether it's going to be tennis, squash, whether it's going to be basketball. How much to exercise? Very simple. How much to exercise, especially the doctors and the physiotherapists. We know that people have fallen on the ground and died. They have died because you have to, it's a simple formula. 220 minus the age of the sports person or your age, those who are walking now. So 220 minus your age if you are 60, so it becomes 160. So don't allow your pulse rate to increase more than that. For a physiotherapist to be safer, I tell them 200 minus the age of yourself, of your sportsman, of your patient. So everybody who is walking, please understand 200 minus the age. That much should be your pulse. Don't cross that pulse. Once you cross that pulse, you are in danger zone. If you are 50 years old, don't cross your pulse more than 150. 200 minus 50 is 150. If you are 70 years old, 200 minus 70, don't cross your pulse more than 130. And youngsters who are sportsmen, they are playing 200 minus 20, their age of 20, 22, it comes to 180. You can take your pulse to 180. But people who have fallen dead, maybe their pulse had gone more than 220. I showed you all how we put on calories by our eating habits. And now I will show you all how we burn. I feel the first one is the best one. When you're using mobile, it is 50 calories, only if you're talking. But I've seen people walking, screaming, shouting, and showing their hand gestures while talking on mobile. Much more. It may go to 100 calories per hour. So even 10 hours is no problem for us. Everybody can talk at least for 10 hours on mobile. So you can burn 500 calories, the easiest way of burning calories. Gardening, usually we don't know what it is now. Youngsters have forgotten what is gardening. Eating burns 50 calories per hour. Driving a car is 50 calories. Dusting furniture, we don't know. We have forgotten. It's 150 calories or somebody is doing for us. Brushing teeth and hair, if we are doing it, 100 calories. Bed making, we don't know what it is. So it's 300 calories. Bathing is 100 calories per hour. Again, from all this that I've picked up is card playing. Many people play card. It was 50 calories per hour. But last time I went, I saw the woman in kitty party playing card. So I saw on the table sticks there. So they were not bending forward to pick up the card. They were putting the stick and bringing the card near them by the stick. So I had to reduce the calorie to 25 per hour. So it depends when you're playing card, whether you are bending forward and picking up the card, it is 50 calorie per hour. But if you're also keeping a stick or somebody picking up and giving you, then it's only 25 calorie per hour. Preparing food is 100. Cleaning floor, we don't know, we don't do. Ironing is Istriwala does it, but if you are doing it, it's 100 calorie per hour. Sports, see, walking leisurely, I said. You're talking to your friend and you say, we go for a walk. You'll go for a walk. After 1 hour, you have burned only 200 calories. But you want to have an ice cream, which is 380 calories. Or you want to have a juice, will be 300 calories. Or you want to have a kulfi, which is 700 calories. So please, that walking leisurely and then having an ice cream or a juice, something after that is not going to help you. Brisk walking 500 calorie, but I would always advise all of you all, whoever is doing any exercise, walking, running, jogging, swimming, whatever you do, at least when you come back for next 1 hour, don't eat anything. You can only have warm waters. Allow the body to take the carbohydrates from the fat stored in your body. The first 1 hour when you are walking or running, you burn all your carbohydrates, you finish your carbohydrate. After that, the body goes in search of carbohydrate from the fat stored. Only fat can be stored in body, nothing else is stored for long, no protein, no carbohydrate is stored. Only fat is stored any amount. So allow your body to take the carbohydrate, the fuel from fat. And the best fuel for our body when we are doing exercise is carbohydrate. So have a lot of carbohydrates in the daytime. Night have protein for the repair. Protein does the repair work. So don't make it ulta. You have protein in the morning, you will be lazy. You won't be able to do your sports better. Those who are into sports or into any exercises have carbohydrate in the morning and then have a protein at the night for the repair work. The simplest way for fitness, I would say, look at this pyramid very well. Look at this pyramid. It should be in your kitchen, it should be in your hall, it should be in your office. There should be activities in your body. There should be cereal, then it should be vegetable and fruits, nuts, non-veg, milk, and milk product should be the last minimum. Minimum should be milk product like ice cream, cheese, chocolates are minimum. But what has happened? Why we are unfit? Why all this problem in our body? This is the reason. The milk product has gone up. We have upside down the pyramid. Maximum we have is cake, pastries, cheese, ice cream, chocolates. Maximum should be milk and milk product we are having now. Then we want non-veg, then a little bit of nuts, then vegetable and fruit, cereal we have forgotten, and exercises is out of the pyramid. We have put it out. So that's one of the reasons that we are going unfit. Now, there are many studies showing there is a reduction in the magnesium in the body, thyroid, reduction of vitamin B12, D3. That's why I'm very regular in the musculoskeletal pain, because my specialty is not, you have to see a good endocrinologist or diabetologist. They will able to guide you the reason of your thyroid. So sometimes we have a study from Kutch Bush. There was less iodine in the water, so many were getting it. Many were getting thyroid. So we have to find out the reason in that person. So it's a proper test, and only an endocrinologist will be able to guide you what to do.
And there was a lot of questions about neck pain and spondylitis.
Spondylitis is like graying of hair. With time, you gray your hair, so you are going to get spondylitis. It's a degenerative changes in your cervical spine. More than 80% of people are having neck problems. So there are two exercises I would like to show them. All those who are having neck and back problems. Um, for the last more than 18 years, I sleep on my stomach, put a pillow under my chest, and I watch TV, I read a newspaper, I play with my mobile half an hour every morning. And I do the same thing at night. So that unwinds my body, because once you get up in the morning, you start bending. You're brushing teeth, you are bending. Then you are eating, you are bending. You are
Yes.
driving, you are bending. You're working, you are bending. So your spine keeps bending. So it is exactly, you have to do the opposite, unwind. So put a pillow under your chest, unwind. You know,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
when you are doing unwinding for half an hour, play with it. The second exercise is taking a towel, putting it behind your neck and pushing it back. I don't want this moment. I want
Okay.
it resisting. When you do this, your neck problem will go away. Definitely this strengthening has to be done.
Yeah. There was a sportsman here who had a shoulder problem. I mean, he's a sportsman. He plays tennis. So he's asked about his problem in the shoulders. How can he strengthen it?
Shoulder, if an MRI is done, whether it was supraspinatus, whether it's one of the ligaments, supraspinatus tear, usually it happens,
Yeah.
or it's an impingement, depending on that. But shoulder is made of many ligaments and muscles. So there are a lot of shoulder exercises. If they do the band exercise, paraband exercises, it should take care of it. But exactly, we need to know what it is to show that specific exercise.
Can I ask my question, sir?
Yes.
Hi, sir. My name is Manoj Agarwal. I'm from Calcutta. I play lawn tennis, and I have a ligament tear and labrum tear in my right shoulder.
Right.
So
Now, is it full tear or it's partial tear?
it's a partial tear. In Calcutta, doctors suggest me for operation, but I don't want to go for operation.
If you don't want to go, the best is strengthening. If you could come through Bharat, if you come on, we will send Bharat a set of exercises or band exercises. He will forward it to you. Just do the band exercises for 1 month. You will feel better. If it is not a complete tear, if it is a partial
So
tear, but if
if
it
I
is going
can,
to be a
if I,
complete tear, you will require an arthroscope.
sir, I get a video from you, so it will
I'll
help
send
me
it to
to
Bharat.
improve.
I'll send it to Bharat.
Thank you. Hope I'll get it from Bharat, sir.
Definitely, definitely. He'll remind me. He'll remind
Thank
me,
you
I'll
so much.
send you.
Oh,
Thank you,
I'll
sir.
thank
send
you, thank you, Manoj. There
Thank
was
you,
a
sir.
question from a member asking about disc bulge.
Yes, this bulge comes when we lift something heavy, but the exercise which I showed morning and evening, just lie on your stomach, put a pillow, put a round pillow under your chest, lie like this. And that brings down, that makes the disc go back. You are unwinding it.
Right.
Or swimming, freestyle swimming. I want to post. Freestyle swimming. 45 minutes swimming can sort out any neck and back problem. I feel one of the best exercise that everybody should do is swim. Swim 45 minutes to 1 hour and don't eat anything for 45 minutes to 1 hour, only hot water. It will
Right.
make you the fittest person. 33 years I am practicing, I have never treated a swimmer. It
Right.
should be a round pillow like this under your chest. You have to lie on your stomach with pillow like this under the chin. Right? That unwinds your spine. It aligns your spine. It is good for the neck, good for the upper back, good for the low back.
Right. So, doctor, is there any remedy for sinusitis and migraine pains.
Again, the reason could be neck. We don't use the upper vertebrae of the neck, right? So when you are
Okay.
moving, it's the lower moving. So if you mobilize it, definitely that is the cause. If that is the cause, again, doing this exercise to sort it out, the neck, this mobilizes the neck, put a pillow, hold a towel and push it backward. See,
Right.
this movement has to be there, pain-free.
Okay. And doctor, is it advisable for a diabetic to have a canned juice, canned juices or fresh juices?
Diabetes to have what?
Canned juices or fresh
No, no,
juices,
no, no, no.
fresh fruit.
For diabetes advice, I am doing it on all my patients. Have fruits from morning till 12 noon. I'm following Biswaroop Roy Chaudhary's diet.
Okay.
Biswaroop Roy Chaudhary, if you Google Biswaroop Roy Chaudhary, he has a DIP diet, discipline in the important person. He says have fruits, any fruit, diabetic, any fruit. When you get up in the morning, fruit, 1% of your body weight. If you are 70 kg, 700 grams of fruits you can have. And your lunch and dinner should be A and B, A plate and B plate. A plate should be 0.5% of your body weight salad, and then eat whatever you want. Even dinner, 0.5% your body weight should be salad, and the B should be whatever you want to eat. And no milk products, no milk, no dahi, no chas, no ice cream, nothing, no milk tea. It should be black tea. So if you do
Definitely not juices.
no, you have fruits directly. If you're having fruit juice, have it with the pulp. Don't strain it.
Okay.
Excuse
3
me,
days your sugar drops. You will have to stop the medicine. It's
sir.
one of the best treatment for diabetes. Please
There is
follow.
a
Details. I can send the video to Bharat. Bharat can give it to all the members.
right.
It's a fantastic for blood pressure and diabetes.
There is a lady, Nita. There is a lady who's just want to ask a question.
Yes.
Trinita. Who is she? Ajita Agarwal.
Yes. Yes,
I think
Ajita.
there might be something problem with her network connection. I mean, how do you
May I
compare
ask-
a
may I
treadmill
ask-
walk on a normal walk, doctor? And walking on a treadmill is
No,
better than
better
walking.
than treadmill.
Okay, normal walking is better.
Because when you're walking on a treadmill, your mind is going to catch the belt.
Right.
It's much better to walk normally, cycle or cycling at home than treadmill. That era of treadmill has gone. Treadmill is for sports person and when they are running indoor. Long term, not good. It damages the ankle, the knee, and the back.
Mhm.
Sir, very good afternoon, sir. This is Muskan. Should I ask something?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead, Muskan.
Sir, I'm a student in ERA of Bachelor of Physiotherapy. I'm doing physiotherapy. Sir, actually, I have my migraine problem since 7 years back. So what should I do, sir? Sir, it's really severe pain, like
What
unbearable.
problem?
So migraine. Sir, I have a migraine since
Yes.
7 years.
Migraine. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, listen, the reasons of migraine has to be found out. Sometimes just we check whether how much the magnesium of the body, if it is reduced, if you put it back, the migraine pain goes away. The cervical spondylitis, see whether your C1, C2, C2, C3, and C3, C4 are properly mobilized. You sitting and sometimes your thought was somewhere else also. So you don't remember. So it depends on how focused you were when that person was talking, how much focus you were when you were dealing with that person. So there is no hard and fast. But as the old method theory goes, yes, badam helps
Okay.
for memory.
And
Doctor-
if you have cholesterol, can you still have badam?
Yeah, please. There is nothing it to do. It's a good cholesterol. I would rather say walnut and badam, any dry fruit that cause their cholesterol also very good. And what we have been talking about, I don't know when other scientists will announce. Now they are saying that people there has to be certain cholesterol in your body because the cholesterol also protects your heart.
Another question is sitting on the chair. Most of the time nowadays we are sitting on the chair watching webinars or doing work
Yeah.
at home. We don't go out. So any specific exercise sitting on the chair, just
A
getting
lot of stretching exercise you can do is sitting on the chair. So don't sit for more than 1 hour. And if you take my advice, there are physio ball, big balls available physio. I had started putting it at Hinjewadi in Pune to especially I tell the children, your children want to play on computer, only one rule. They have to sit on the ball and they can play on computer because they are exercising with it. The muscles are working with it. And very good for elderly people, very good for balance, very good for the muscles working.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Doctor, you said badam in the morning.
Yeah.
Are you mean to say badam in the morning soaked at night should be taken with the skin with the chilkas or without the
Badam.
You
chilkas?
can feel it. You can take it with skin. You can feel it also. Ma'am, I'm on
Okay.
Zoom. I call you.
Okay. Yeah, doctor, there is a question about calcium supplements. If somebody has arthritis pain and all,
Supplements.
for calcium.
Calcium
Arthritis.
drumstick. I don't know what it's called in Assam. It's drumstick. It's long stick-like thing.
Yes,
You
yes.
have a soup of it. Put it in dal. Put it in sambar. Whatever gravy you may put it. It's one of the
Yeah.
best form of vitamin D. Then, if you are non-veg, paya soup. Paya masala paya soup has vitamin D. For vitamin C, I said any of the juice, mosambi, santra, pineapple, all have vitamin C. Sweet potatoes, they have all vitamin C and zinc. If you want some calcirol sachets are there for vitamin D3. You can have it once a week. Put the sachet in juice, water, tea, coffee, anything.
And there was old Dadima ka nuska, doctor, with garam pani
They have
and
come
honey
in
and
tablet
garlic.
form. They have come in tablet form. Turmeric, only turmeric.
Turmeric.
100 milligram of turmeric in a tablet form like halls. You are sucking it like halls. 2 a
Okay.
day will prevent high immunity. 4 a day they are giving it to patients having COVID positive, they become negative.
Okay. That is a good tip. Doctor, there is one Dadima ke nuske with garam pani in the morning, garlic and honey.
Yes,
Is that
anything. See, all the kitchen items are high immunity. So we can't, I don't want to label it each one what it is. You can have with honey, you can have with turmeric, you can have it with uh, ginger, you can have it with cinnamon, that is dalchini. So
dalchini?
any of this thing, you have it in the morning, it's one of the best things. People sometimes have only 1 liter of water, plain water, not even hot water. It helps.
Right. There is a question about, I don't know what is NAFLD. NAFLD. NAFLD, how do you spell it? I don't know.
It's regarding what it is.
I don't know. There was a question in the messaging here.
Sir,
NAFLD.
it would be
If
complete.
the person is here, if he's listening, can put on his question directly. Yeah. Is there anyone who wants to ask
Yeah,
something
Good
for
afternoon,
Dr.
doctor.
Ali Irani?
Yeah.
Painkiller and a
I want to ask for.
Yeah.
I request you, madam, to put your phone on mute after you put on your question.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Nisha, you can ask your question.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, doctor. Good afternoon, Dr. Nisha Agarwal speaking.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Actually, I have a thyroid problem since 12 years, 10 to 12 years. I'm taking medicine, Thyronorm 75 mg. And I do regular exercises, yoga, and everything. But since 3 to 4 years, I'm finding like whenever I walk, previously I used to walk very vigorously every day. But nowadays, when I walk for a long time, my knee starts paining. And otherwise, SAB all the time, sometimes my knees pains. So, what should I do? Like, should I stop walking and do the exercises, or?
No. Ma'am, your knee pain could be with a simple reason: vitamin B12, D3, and magnesium. Next blood test do for these three. If
Okay,
anything is low, directly or indirectly, it is causing your thyroid problem also. Most of the Indians, 60% of the Indians have deficiency of B12, B3, or
Yeah,
magnesium,
that
or
I do.
all three, or all three.
Yeah, I take methicobal for the B12 just every 2 to 3 months, and then I stop and then again take. And D3 also, I do the courses every 6 months.
I take injection every 6 months. Methylcobalt injection I take for my B12. I take architol injection for my D3 because the body does not store. Now I've realized because less magnesium, it does not store. So I've started loading myself with magnesium. There are magnesium sprays available. Then you get a lot of, if you Google, you'll find out. If you are seeing this, these are all magnesium.
Yeah, and there's always swelling in my legs.
I sprayed in my navel area. I sprayed on my hand, and I'm finding it much better. So it's a magnesium that can hold D3 and B12. So why your body is not holding D3, B12? Maybe because of the magnesium. It all interlinked. So when we say the right body composition, we are bothered to see our blood pressure being 120 on 80. But we are not bothered to see the other vitamins in our body, whether they are there right or wrong. So when it is deficient, we have so many, we have twitching of eyes, people complain about they cannot sleep properly, and finally we come to know either B12 was not existing at all. I have seen B12 as 80 and 90, where minimum it should be 400. B12 has to be between 400 and 800.
Okay.
And again, more than 900, you go in toxicity. So it should not be very much also, not that low also.
Okay.
And about this between 40 and 80.
40 and 80. Okay. And there's a swelling also. Like sometimes
more than 3%. Magnesium, only 1% of magnesium is in your blood. Rest are stored in your bone and in your ligament. So magnesium also helps to load B12 and D3. So when you're having, you are saying you're having methylcobalt very regularly, but whether your body is storing it.
Okay.
So magnesium is equally the best way to have magnesium is Epsom salt. Put 1 cup of Epsom salt in a half a bucket of hot water. Dip your leg in it 20 minutes every day.
Okay.
I will come to a grandmother's thing. They say certain people in India used to have chana every Friday. Chana.
Chana kurma,
Some people said they used to have it on Thursday.
Okay.
Then many mandirs give chana as a prasad.
Yes.
Only to find out, I found out that all this chana contains is magnesium.
Okay.
So in form of prasad, अरे वो मंदिर का प्रसाद खाया मेरे को अच्छा लगा. Actually, अच्छा लगा was because magnesium was loaded in the body and the person was feeling better.
Okay, so chana gives magnesium.
It was lacking.
Okay, and the swelling, there's a swelling also most of the time in my ankle portion.
Yes.
So this.
Kavita.
Hello.
Yes, Kavita.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, and sometimes there's a swelling also in my ankles. Whenever I walk more, or sometimes most of the time, there's swelling. So to avoid this, what can I do?
Madam, the best thing I feel, you have water retention.
Okay.
And water,
Is-
please increase your water intake. You'll feel better.
Okay.
A good water intake, you should be minimum having 2 liters of water.
That I do. I make a point that I have 2 to 2.5 liter water every day.
You again increase it. You'll feel.
Is there any other remedy also for this?
Putting 2 bricks under your bed, where your leg is there, we incline the bed a little.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and there are strengthening.
Okay, thank
A lot of questions pouring in, doctor.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much.
The NAFLD, what I was speaking was non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Is there any?
I said Imli works very well for
Imli.
fatty liver. So I don't. I just put
Yeah.
Imli in my, instead of tea leaf, I put Imli. I can't tell you all because Assam has got good tea leaves. So
Yeah.
decrease the tea leaf and increase the Imli and make a tea out of it. No milk, only black tea.
No. Yeah. Doctor, we would like to have
I
some
have
tips
that
for
tea.
pregnant
I only
women,
have
expecting women.
lot
Some
of
tips
iron.
for
They should be having lot of iron, lot of vitamins. And there is, I will tell Bharat, I have a staff which only deals with mothering. Dr. Mahima Chaudhary from Delhi. She could come and speak next week or something for you all, only for the mothers. She's very good on mothering. A specialty. She's written a book also on women's health, mothering.
ankylosing spondylitis. Is there anything?
Ankylosing spondylitis is a spondylitis which starts at your low back or from the neck. It's not fatal. You become a bamboo spine. So I advise them, if it is a start swimming. Swimming helps. It opens up. Deep breathing. And whatever movement you have, it will remain. But what you lost, then you lose. So that's why you have to be active. I have an ankylosing physiotherapist who is ankylosing and a physiotherapist and a gymnast. She's a gymnast. So when the parents came to know, they had put her in gymnastics. So she is fully mobile, no traces of it. So ankylosing spondylitis does not do any harm. It takes away your movement, the neck movement, the back movement. You have to keep yourself mobile.
Doctor, can we?
Pooja was our intern, I think, so from Mumbai. Pooja was with Nanavati Hospital.
Yeah. There is a question about osteoarthritis, lumbar problem. Osteoarthritis.
Osteoarthritis, ONE, is degeneration of knee joint. When there are arthritic changes, rubbing of the joint. I showed the second slide. I showed you the knee joint. After knee joint, I showed you the osteoarthritic knee.
Right. There is one Mr. Rahul Baid who wants to ask his question directly. Rahul, you can come on.
Yeah, Rahul.
Okay. Yeah. Good afternoon, Dr. Saab. My question is regarding Angstpond only. I've been managing my pain since last almost 23 years now. The problem is every morning when I get up, I'm very, very stiff for like 1.5 hours. Then I'm okay throughout the day. Is there anything I can do the night before?
There's an instrument called jet steam.
Right.
Usually my ankylosing patient, I don't want them to come every day. So I give them that machine. They buy the machine from Mumbai. They keep it at home. Morning when they're reading a paper or watching television, they can take steam to the low back or the neck, wherever it's more painful.
Right.
Gradually it goes away. Once you mobile it, once you get that movement back, the pain goes. The pain reason is because you don't have the movement. It becomes stiff at night. It's the way we diagnose ankylosing and slip disc. In a slip disc, the pain will come as you have walked, end of the day. And ankylosing, the pain will be in the start of the day.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
There is one Miss Sara Siddiqui.
Get up in the morning, take a hot water bath or go in the hot water tub. That pain will gradually go away.
Okay. Thank you so much, doctor.
Miss Sara Siddiqui, can you come on?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Now, please put on your question.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Sarah. I just want to ask that my mother, she suffers with osteoarthritic lumbar vertebra, and she has been having these lower back pains since over a decade now. And she's 50 years of age, and she doesn't fit in the normal BMI, like she's quite oversized. and she has been on medications and stuff, etc. Before the lockdown and stuff, but then it isn't working anymore. So I just want to ask, like, what interventions or what exercises would you recommend?
I will ask her to roll in the bed. If she can roll to the right and left, keeping her hands up, just rolling 4 or 5 times on the bed early morning and before going to sleep. Lying on the stomach, putting a pillow under the chest for half an hour, morning and evening, and she will feel much better. Or take help of any physiotherapist there. There are a lot of mobilization exercises for the lumbar spine. So once it is movement, she has a movement, her pain will reduce.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Dr. Saab, I have one question. See, the day I take 2 pegs, I don't drink regularly, once a week. So I get up very fresh and I do better exercise. So what else can I do for a better sleep?
You are not
Otherwise,
taking
what
nuts
happens?
with it.
Huh?
You might not be taking nuts with it. With
No,
the-
no, I don't, that's fine.
No, no.
Otherwise, what happens? The whole night I go on seeing Sushant Singh Rajput or Corona
Oh,
or this and that.
God.
So
Very sad. It's very sad about it. But all those who are complaining about the night sleep, I always advise them, don't sleep in the afternoon. That is one. That afternoon sleep is taking away your night sleep. One. Two, before you want to go to sleep, have an early dinner. Your dinner should finish by 7:30. It should be 3 hours before you want to sleep. And before you want to go to sleep, take a hot shower. And best thing is whether whatever you are drinking or haldi doodh. Lovely sleep. Bathing gives you a good sleep.
Doctor, you have been suggesting a lot of measures to lose weight. There are some questions about people eating everything but still losing weight, and they want to regain their weight. What can we do about them?
It's simple because the body metabolism, the basic metabolism in the body is working very well. So they have to add. It's just adding. After every food, I have add an ice cream or a kulfi or sweet. So that extra calories, when it build up to 7,000, they'll put off 1 kg. Like
Right.
having one egg a day in the morning, which is extra calorie. Have an ice cream, have sweets, have a chocolate. All that is going to add calories, so you will increase. It's simple. You carry 1,000 rupees a day from home, and if you're going to spend only 500, 600, something will remain till end of the month. But you have to carry 800 and spend 1,000 if you want to reduce.
I will take another 2-3 questions. Is there anyone who want to ask directly?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir. This is Mohammad Irfan calling from Hyderabad.
Yes. Hyderabad to Assam.
Assam to Hyderabad. Look, sir, the world is so small.
Go ahead.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Go
This
on.
is Mohammad Irfan calling from Hyderabad. Sir, we just wanted to ask, how can I overcome my alcohol addiction, sir? Actually, we are very hard drinker people. So I just wanted to ask, how can I overcome my alcohol addiction?
You have to start reducing every day. Some people say, because I'm not alcoholic, I've never drank, so I won't know. But as far as science goes, you have to add more water to it. You have to reduce
sir.
your pack that you're taking half. You have to make it quarter, add more water, add more soda. Drink
Okay.
slowly, sip by sip. That's one of the best way you can speed you are walking, what inclination you are walking, but I will always prefer walking normally is better than treadmill. Cycling is also better than treadmill, whether it's a sport cycle or whether it's an outside cycle. You have to understand that was made for difficulty, for rehabilitation, that walking machine was made. It is not that you leave air and be in an AC room and walk on the machine. If you can walk, nothing better than getting up early morning. I want to only explain you all, it is nothing new. During Surya Namaskar, you have to get up early morning, take a bath, go outside the house, do your mantras,
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Just last question, sir. Is it better to
Ball. If you go to the building,
Yeah,
someone
Ritesh.
wants your help.
Ritesh, please go on. This would be the last question of the day.
is it better to have? Is it better not to have a drink and not to sleep, or have one peg drink and sleep? This is for my wife. I want to clarify to her.
Oh, she's objecting, but please, if that relaxes you, you should be having it. But anyhow, wine is going to be better than other hard drinks. So if she's giving you a choice, let her select your choice as wine. Less chemical, only grape.
Okay, thank you.
I would have some sympathies for the people who are sitting with their wives here, because now their wives have got some points to taunt every day. They look what Dr. Ali Rani said, and they're still drinking. And most of the drinkers love nuts to have a chaknas with that. That is another problem.
Good
You had
afternoon,
to
sir.
stick
This is
with them
Murli
with
here.
both.
I have a question for you.
You should be a disciplined drinker. So
Good afternoon,
don't
sir.
make it a
Murli
habit
here.
when
I
you
have a
come
question for
home.
you. Can I please put it
Murli,
forward?
just hold on. Murli, just hold on. Yes, sir. Go on, doctor. Murli,
You should be a
Murli, you can. Yes, sir.
disciplined drinker.
Okay.
Sir, may I speak?
Yeah, come on, Murli.
Sir, I wanted to ask you the effects of glucose with alcohol on the body.
Lot of alcohol-related questions now.
Avam, sir.
It is fellowship time.
Fellowship time.
Alcohol thing is going around on the round, sir. That's why I wanted to
Yeah.
ask.
Yeah, go ahead.
What is the effect of glucose along with the alcohol, sir? How does it affect the body? Because I've heard people getting more high and getting more lousy after drinking alcohol and having sweet.
No. See, every person who drinks has a different way to react to it. So it's a topic. It has to be elaborated in a very big way. A person drinks, becomes quiet, goes to sleep. The same person can drink and become loud and become rowdy. So how it affects you is different. But all the drinks high in sugar. So if you are diabetic,